All right. So we said I want to take on these sounds. I will transcribe some that I can transcribe what I really understand. I think I should be able to transcribe everything here, but at least just to make you see the sound, I will transcribe some very relevant ones that you are sure to see in your exams that they usually ask because students don't know how to pronounce them. Is that okay? All right, let's go. What sound is this, everybody? All right. So how do we pronounce this? So both of these together are n. Kite. Kite. Then here, what sound is this? What sound is this? All right. Now, what kind of sound? Is this a plosive or a fricative? Or something like mine? Fricative, God bless you. Fricative. So we have, as in pronounce here, is this matching? Is this chance? Is this shame? Shame on you. Go and chime. What's the answer? Chance. Give me a chance. So I want to. Have you heard give me a chance? Yeah, I mean, I've been to a church where they say, give me chance, chance. Alright, alright. The point is this guy, machine, E is long here. Is that okay? Machine, E is long. Is that okay? Alright, let's go on. J. What sound is this? J. As in G, G1. As in, I just target it. I just target it. Okay, what's this? Ridge. Is that the answer? This is G. Ghastly. Target. Gear. This is what? Gear. Gear. All right, the next one. What sound is this? Someone said tita. All right, this is as in wrath. God bless you. This is long R. Take note of that. I'm trying to bring in the vowel sounds too. Is wrath. It's not. You will see my wrath this morning. Maybe one vex is say, if I told you to watch that place, you will not watch. You will see my wrath this afternoon. Tell mommy is no wrath. Mommy is wrath. Say wrath. You say, hey, okay. How you say wrath? I say wrath, yeah? What's this? This sound, yeah? This sound, yeah? This sound, yeah? Good. This sound, yeah? Is that okay? This is do. All right, let's go. B. As in, is it debit? Is it doped or doubt? What's that? Debit. Who is this? Plumber class. All right, the next one, gear. As we consider there, so G. As in, what is this? Wait, what's this? Is it giant? We know it's giant. See, you are not sure of this, right? So let's go to the next one. What's this? Is it rigid? No, but let's go to this one. Privilege. Is it privilege? So what would the answer be? Please. Yeah, you don't have to be sure. You only have to test the rest. Okay, you are convinced that it's privilege. You are convinced that it's rigid. So you are convinced that it's giant. I'm a giant. We have one giant now. Do you understand? The only reason why you make mistake with this thing is if you don't know how to pronounce this one. If this one begins to sound like GR2, GR1, GR2. Regime. You see, and you see, stupid people don't know anything. GR1, giant, rigid, giant, rigid. Yes, that's the way you do because you are not seeing two things that sound is exactly alike. You don't know what to pick. Really giant, gigantic, gigantic is what? Yes. All right, the next one, injury. Is it injury or injury? Is it injury or injury? Or injury? I see your turn, your this what's it called? Your vulnerability went down there. Injury. Okay, injury, right? Yeah, rather. You, DMB. Pronounce it. Inward. Jury. Yeah, I think it's correct. Okay, let's see. What's this? Lengthy. Is it lengthy or lengthy? You know, we talked about some words the other day. We said, what's this? Wealthy, healthy. C. C. Yeah, there is no day here. God knows why. Do you get it? Stealthy. To walk the way you want to steal meat. So to walk stealthily, right? Stealthily. Stealthy. So it's not stealthy. Are you with me? You heard people say wealthy, I'm wealthy. Tell them no, you're not wealthy. Okay, you are wealthy, me, I'm wealthy. Okay, let's go. Injury as in Joe. Is this for Joe? Is this prestige? What is this? Prestige. God bless you, my students. Gentle. Gentle. The next one. Time as in time. What would that be? Packed. Let's pronounce this word. Function. Function. Hustle. It's not it's not hustle. 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 Beret. It's not beret. Your beret. I don't have red beret. Well, tomorrow in church. Tomorrow we are wearing white and red beret. I mean, if you said this in your church, wear white and red beret. Ah, is it in your church? We said wear white and red beret. That red beret, what the other day? Oh, red beret. Ah, my own has lost to. Funny enough, it will be the one they had. Ah, red beret. Ah, I don't have that type. You say, ah, mommy, that's what you're on your head. No, this one is my red beret that I wore on Sunday. That one that I wore, that I said I wore. Alright, let's go to packed. The next one, rap. What's this? Is this Pisam? And bear in mind that this is long, right? I also say something. It is function, hustle. Is that okay? And berate. Alright. So here we said rap. Here, sound. Here, cupboard. This is silent, right? This is palm exactly. This is what? Receipt. And this guy is silent. Alright, the next one. River. As in, have you ever said it's on the surface? You've read surveys before. It's just surveys. And of course, this lieutenant. Lieutenant. It's not lieutenant. It's what? Lieutenant. The next one. Bright. As in, what's this? Is this trash or thrash? Is this trash or thrash? I would trash you. Thrash. Okay? Nestle. Sorry. This is what? This is trash, right? This trash is nestle. This is listen. I mean, that's the way I pronounce it here. I mean, for this one at least, if you have heard me pronounce, you will know it. Listen. Chalet. So the answer is what? Trash. It's not thrash. Trash. Trash. It's not nestle. Nestle. All right. The next one. Ball. As in, is this walk? This is walk. This is palm. Walk, as in walk. This is transcription. Is that okay? There's no L. There's no L sound there. This palm. Is there any L sound there? This talk. This talk. Is there any L sound there? So this is boat. L. Boat. All right. The next one. Now. That's how it's boat. All right, let's go to this. Now. Let me transcribe this word in case you want to write it. Boat. Boat. Oh, the old sound. You remember? All right, now. As in What is this? Him. Is it him in it? Rang, damn, and knee. Yeah, knee. The long E. All right, let's go. Here we have the silent H's now. So we have to know where H is silent. Hey, once you see it there, what comes to your mind? Silence, most probably silent. Especially when it is begun by a long E. You know this vehement here is long, right? This E here is long, right? This is what? Long E, right? Right? I think this one is also long in vehicle, right? So there needs to be silent H. So this is vehement, right? Vehement. Vehement. Is it vehement or vehement? Vehement. Vehement, right? Vehement. Everybody. Ah, now your voice is sad. Is this the answer? No. Is that the answer? No. This one, vehicle. Ah, your voice is low. You're not talking here. Vehicle. All right. Give me this one. Exhibit. Hold. That's it. Ooh, you told them, right? You told. Good. Hold. It's not 30, it's 30. I'm thirsty. You can't tell me, mommy, I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. You're not right. If you're thirsty, you know. Okay, let's go. We have rest. Rest, as in lax. Because it's fuse. What's Jesus? This fuse. Is this fuse? Remove the fuse. Is it news? It's no longer news. News. These are Z's. These are Z's. Z's, close. Do you get it? So that will be lax. Here, acre. That what? Liquor. Liquor. I hope you know it's long too. Liquor. Is this kiss? C's, alright. That will be long E too. Here, what is this? Garage. Is it garage or garage? Is it right? What's this? Change. What's this? Prestige. What's this? Beverage. Beverage. Is it ridge or range? Orange. Beverage. Beverage. That'll be G, right? Beverage. Range. Alright, so the answer will be prestige. Do we get it? Alright, the next one. Yellow. Yeah. As in buy. We did this triphthong. Buy. It's not buy. Joy. That is ye. Our sound is ye. Our sound is what? Our sound is what? Ye. Ye sound. Ye. So this is feel. Feel. How could you miss that? Feel is transcribed feel. Am I wrong? No. Have we not done this before? Feel. Bellow. I'm looking for ye. How could you feel that? This is triphthong higher. Power and higher. Buyer, higher. Alright, let's go. The next one. Think. What's this? Smooth. What's this? Weather. What's this? Wealth. Rather. Do you get it? Alright, the next one. Shirt. As in, what's this? Usual, right? Okay, please, focus. Don't focus on the notes you are marking. Focus more on the board. Because these are words that we have done over and again. Okay, I remember using most of these words the last time I taught you, except usual. In fact, in usual, I remember giving one class written, maybe yes is one. Usual. Okay, Jean. BC. God bless you. Machete. All right. Yeah, and it's machete. It's not machete. Yeah, machete. All right, let's go. This one, as in seizure. This one is direct. I mean, balls, ritual, mention. Shirt, machete. The next one, B, as in label. This is debt, lamb, plumber. Do you remember? All right, here, as in coach, C's special. It's not special. Special. The next one, the, as in, what's this? Is this breathe or breath? Breath. Please, for those of you that don't know, look here. Look here, look here. These words. Pronounce this class. Class. Cloth. Pronounce this class. Clothes. So the transcription, clothes. Watch me or stop writing, please. Just stop writing. Clothes and cloth. Pronounce this class. Breath. Pronounce this. Breathe. Good. So this will be breathe and breath. Is it clear? All right. This is the verb. These are the verb forms. Clothe yourself. Breathe in. Your bad breath. Remove your cloth. All right. Breath. Okay. So we truth, false, load, load. Right. The next one, boys. Now what? Close. Use. But we know of close, right? I will verify use later. Wait. Do we know of close? Is it close? I mean, we did one here just now. Close the door. Close it. Wait, we know of, we should pronounce use as use. Yes, wait. Used in the following. Used in the following. Okay, now listen. So it's possible that both are correct. So it means it will be a typo on their part. Is that okay? I would like to go for close because I'm sure of close and use. We are sure of use. So we are sure of both, right? Okay, so let's pick both. So we're going to verify use. We're going to verify use later, but for now, no, correct. Mark the both correct. Mark both correct. Do you understand? I mean, you can't say use it. Use it for your pen. Use it for your car. Use it for your car. Use it, will you? She used it. She used it up. She used it up. She used... Okay, I will use it. I will use it. I will use it. I will use it. You use it. You use it often. There is something in my house. What is it called? You use it often. You use it. You use it. Is it? Hello? Good afternoon. There's no problem. Okay, ma. Okay. Good afternoon, ma. Yes, ma. Okay, still shooting. All right, we said that that will be correct to use. All right, let's go. This as in the. That will be the, right? The. Is it this? Is it this? This as in lather. We know that is wealthy, right? Swore. Now look at this one. Swore. Swore. So the sound we're looking for is not s, is swore. For example, in this word, look at this. Pronounce this word. Sword is not swore. Right, but here, we're looking for sword. So give me a sword word. This is sword. This is scroll. This is sweet. That's the pronunciation. What face is that? It has the same pronunciation as sweet. As your normal sweet. Only that one is short, the other is long. Which one do you think will be long? Yes, now. This will be long because double E. I think, yeah, one is short, the other is long. Let's go. Team. T. As in time. What's this class? Depot. Depot. Then this one, which one again? Listen, everybody. Time, all right. So here, what's this? Is this mortgage? What's this? Mortgage. Beret. Guest. The next one. What sound is this? As in tongue. All right. Cloven tongues of fire. Do well to subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you.